Kita niyo ba? Hindi. Yan. What the? Okay, kita niyo ba? Ayan, kita niyo na? Okay. There we go. So it told you, okay, this little boy, okay, maganda, hindi masisira yung code. Yan. That is here.
Naging girl na.
I don't know. I'm a developer. No, I'm not an artist. Sorry. I sacrificed the right side of my brain in college. So yan. It'll give you a warning. Okay? So ito daw, AX data grid na to, hindi na raw kita. So, ano solution dito? Yan, maganda na question. The other one, ano yun? One, comment out. I'm sorry about that. Oh, anong college ako? Yan ang solution ko dyan. Comment out ko. You either one, add that. Malamang kami, reference ka na sa grid na yun, so you probably have. Ang problema, ito mga ganitong tipong luma na mga data controls or mga grids, they don't come in the form of a DLL. They used to come in the form of an active control, di ba? An OCX. You cannot like right-click ka sa references or lang references, yun. Almost me. Okay. So you cannot like right-click reference and then point to that, to the DLL for this grid. So you can't do that. Okay, so yun, may recoding ka na. Or let's say gagawa ko to ng paraan. Hindi ko i-comment out, pero gagawa ko ng paraan. Generate a class for that, just for it. Oh my Lord. So dumami yung errors. Hindi kasi, what I did was, I created a class of type AX data grid. So, yung mga paghahanap niya ngayon doon sa AX data grid, yung mga hinanap yung mga methods, yung mga members ng AX, hindi na niya makita lahat. So, but basically, what you have here is a starting point. Okay? It's a starting point na pwede kayo, where you can see which parts of the application you can upgrade. Ayun o, si grid yan eh. Yan. Yung data grid yun, nawala na kasi siya. Okay? Okay, so this one looks okay. Diba? Meron ka ng matino-tinong tingnan. A former VB6 application that is now a .NET application. Okay? And it's up to you to choose which framework you want to build it on. Framework 4, 3.5. 2. Pop quiz. Ito ba pwede kong, nasa .NET 2010 na tayo, pwede ko ba itong i-build for framework 2 ng .NET framework? Yes. Nasa 1.1. So the question basically is, does Visual Studio 2010 support framework 1.1? Where okay, well anyways, the answer is yours. It's, sabi nga nung kaibigan, it's your choose. What? So, nirecord pala yung gano'n red lines na pinagagawa ko, no? Kasi I'll be uploading that to my blog, eh. Okay, so yun. So, here, we have that. So, what we have here is a starting point where you can start migrating or upgrading, okay? So, let's inspect some of the code, some of the constructs that we have here. So this is a, oh my God, this is a record set. There we go. Ayan pa, upgrade mo yan, si message box. Diba? So this is convert. Convert. And migrate or upgrade is iba. Diba? Migrate would be yung, meron ako isang maganda pang migrating tool eh. Tingnan nyo to ah. Keep your eyes open. This is a very good upgrade. Ito upgrade na. You change your code to yung .NET na siya. Okay? Upgrade to ah. Find and replace. Yan. Bakit? Yan. Papalitan mo yan ng yes, message box .show. O, .NET na siya. Upgrade mo siya. That's an upgrade. O, isa lang naman. Okay, so that's a very nice upgrade tool. Control F. Now, what I'm getting at, the point is, yung resources is basically already there with you. If you already have Visual Studio installed on your machines, the tools that you need are there already. Okay? So, ano na siya. You don't need na, I know there are some third-party tools out there na, that are being sold, okay, as products or as services, that it will, as a service. Sabi, ano daw, it will upgrade your project from VB6 to .NET 4.0. Tapos, i-upload mo yung code mo sa kanila, sa website nila, kasi service lang yun. And then, you have to wait for like 3 days. Kasi in-upgrade pa ng tao nila. Okay. Ayun. What are the results? I showed you earlier, the results of the conversion wizard. Okay. What are the things that are affected by the conversion wizard? Okay. First, language changes, of course. Yung pinakita ko kanina. Yung upgrade tool. You still remember the upgrade tool that I showed you kanina? Upgrading your language. It's called Control F. Find and replace. Right? So lahat ng MSG box, palitan nyo message box.show. Mga ganun lang. It's an upgrade tool. Okay. Okay, so your code is going to be upgraded syntactically. Okay. So it's a wizard. It's a tool. It's a conversion tool. So yung code, it will only upgrade your code. Okay? It will not upgrade your logic. Kala nyo Hindi kasi sayang din eh. If really, kumbaga, well, you have yung for each, yung malaking gamit na nun, link, right? Link. That's really a huge enabler, right? So, upgrading is okay. Okay, form changes, most controls will upgrade. Teka, meron tayong isang magandang example for that. Way back in VB6, diba si text box, ang property niya na kung ano yung nakasulat sa kanya is text, right? Si label, ngayon caption na, diba? Dati si label, ano siya? Dati caption, ngayon text property. Yung mga ganun klase, right? So those kinds of, yung mga native controls kay Visual Studio, the conversion tool will be able to, okay, to upgrade those. Okay? You don't have to worry about those. Pero yun nga, yung listahan na lang after hitting Shift Control B, after hitting build, it's going to give you a list of the things that you're going to need to, okay, to fix. Okay? Other functionality will be upgraded to similar objects. It's a good, what's a good example
like
of this?
What I've mentioned earlier, if you have codes on ADO, you can convert that to ADO.NET. But yung kanina na remote data access object, and then the data access object, you'd have to convert them to ADO, and then from ADO, you'd have to convert them to ADO.NET.
Right. So, walk down memory lane, RDO.
Hindi daw nila alam yun, Edo. Alam mo daw yun.
Yeah, right. Clipper, sino marunong pa? Started out with Clipper. Yeah. Those were the days, no? CRT pa yung monitor mo. Ganyan pa kalaki yung floppy disk. Right? Ginugupit pa sa kabila para may right enable din. Floppy disk, baliktaran. Ginagawa niya dati. I used to do that. Diba? Ano nakakita ng mouse on to, uy, mouse. Masarap yung buntot. Okay. So basically, those are the these are the results. Okay, these are the things that are going to happen. There you go. It didn't move. Oh, okay. Okay. And let me show you that first. Oh, diba? Ay, nasa akin. Sorry. Kala ko kita nyo na eh. Alright. Tapos mag-exorcist na lang ako. You have it. the upgrade report, okay, upgrade comments. It's going to give you task list entries. Okay. There we go. So here, I'm not promising this. I'm not promising for this to be an incredibly accurate guide that you should follow. Okay. This will only deal with, like I said, syntax, okay, controls native to Visual Studio. Okay. It's not going to tell you that there's something wrong with your logic, right? Or there's something wrong with. Okay. So third-party controls not covered. Okay. What else? Other language constructs are not covered. There we go. Ano nga ito? Alright. Alright. So, in a nutshell, what we have done for tonight is we have given you some guidance, okay? Some points, some key points to remember in deciding whether to upgrade or not. Okay? When not to upgrade, like one example given was if the application is small, single desktop application. If it's really, really small, we're going to upgrade. Either leave it alone or rebuild. Okay. The options, recommendations, and we showed a short demo of performing the upgrade. Okay. So for other resources, you can shoot them emails. Okay. Or you can shoot me an email. Okay. My email is not here. Okay. So these are some other resources you can utilize. Okay. So we're going to move into the question and answer portion. I hope you guys have lots of questions. Tignan nyo naman, I have an army of tech people here. Right?
Ready? Kasama ka doon.
I have an army of tech people here. Very, very willing, very ready, and very equipped to answer questions. Does anyone have a specific question or any about the presentation or any question specific to what you are doing right now in your company, in your upgrade? Yung mga stopping factors, why is it taking so long, or wag yung management na hindi ko cover yun.
What management?
Well, like ayaw nung PM i-upgrade kasi mahal daw.
May mga PM dito.
No, kaya yung gano'n. Those kind of questions hindi ko kayang sagutin. There are
Oh,
there's no conversion wizard for a project manager. I wish there was. I'm just kidding. Alright, so questions po. Yung ina-attempt ninyong i-migrate. I know there are some companies here who are in the process of upgrading. Sir, kasi yung sa inyo po, may problem or mayroong stopping? Wala pa naman. Okay, hopefully, yes, hopefully. Knock on wood. This is fiberglass. Knock on wood that wala masyadong maging. What were the challenges beforehand? Up to this point. Yung naging challenge ninyo dati, nung sa ngayon wala na eh. So, in the past.
Una, mahirap para sa amin kasi bago yung Visual Studio 2010.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so enablement. Okay. O yun pa pala, I forgot to mention, bira ng bira, no? So, convert. Dating nung tapos sa conversion tool, wala na pala tayong VB programmer. Puro C-sharp na nga pala tayo. Sabay ganun eh, no? Okay, so that's okay, that's one. And also yung enablement ng dev team. Basically, the dev team is still so adept with DB6. Okay, so familiarity, medyo mahirapan tayo doon But you will get there, of course, you will get there. Ma-leverage yung .NET framework. Si Sir De kanina nag-mention that they're in the process of migrating. Are there any pains that you would like to share?
Totoo sir, hindi kasi masyadong involved
okay.
development. Spectator lang ako sa kanila.
Have they reported any?
Yung expectations sila kasi yung speed daw, mas maganda. Pero at this time kasi yun ang nagiging problem nila eh. Pag na-deploy na, may mga pa rin, very slow pa rin.
Oh, super. May natapos na?
Natapos na.
Okay.
Kasi modular nga yung ginagawa nila, these portions of the system, they convert into WP
okay.
implement it.
Okay, so nagkakaroon ng yung performance, the expectations were set too high or not met. Okay.